Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some house cleaning and updates need to be done. First bit of house cleaning, just going to go ahead and get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. Look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that comes into play here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So yesterday, and really the past couple of days, I've talked about 27 quite a bit. And sure enough, the price gap down below it this morning. And then after that gap down, shot all the way down below $20, which, if you've watched the past videos, then I mentioned that area too. Now, to be fair, and I probably got this wrong if I'm being honest about what I thought would happen. It did get nasty in the morning, no doubt about it. That was a big move. But, to give some credit to it, the price just essentially went sideways the rest of the day. And I thought it might get a little bit nastier than that. So from that point of view, the chart did flex its muscles here a little bit, but it has also now revealed a very key level of support moving into next week. And that level is right here at, we'll call it $19.50. So $19.50 was essentially the little bottom part of that big old green candle from a couple days ago. And then that also happened to be essentially, not exactly to the exact penny, but generally speaking, right there around that area of support. So again, like 27 before it, there's going to be a lot of people watching that area. And if the price breaks through there, not a guarantee, but a valid thought to have that any sort of break to the downside of 1950 could very well create that much more downside selling pressure. So those are going to be the two main technical levels going into next week. Again, $27 key level of resistance, and then $19.50 key level of support. So we'll see how it all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.